Good morning, dear students. Myself, Ms. Megha Parashar from SIRTS Pharmacy, Bhopal. Today's topic is liquid orals from industrial pharmacy. So, introductions of liquid orals. Solution is a liquid preparations that contains one or more soluble chemicals, substances dissolved in a specified solvent. Ease of administration, other than solid dosage form like a tablets, capsules, and suitable for children's. And in liquid dosage form prepared by dissolving aqueous solvent, by suspending the drug, or by incorporating the drug into one of the two active ingredients and an aqueous or non-phase phases of an oil and water system. These are the following advantages and disadvantages of liquid orals. A sum of advantage: immediately available for absorption, easy administration, easy to color, flavor, sweeten, easy to change the dose. These are the following disadvantages: bulky than tablets or capsules, so difficult to carry, less stable, better incompatibility than solid dosage form, less accuracy in dose, accident break to containers, breakage during transportation, chances of breakage of containers. These are the following classifications of liquid orals dosage form. Uh, Mainly this is two types, monophasic and biphasic. Monophasic is a simple solution, drops, syrups, linctures, elixirs. And biphasic is a suspension and emulsion. Suspension is a solid in liquid preparation, and emulsion is a liquid in liquid. Quantitative layouts of the liquid preparations. Empty bottle storage area. These are the empty bottle storage area, washing equipment storage area. These are the firstly we will wash empty bottles and containers, all things, and filling and sealing, labeling, packaging, finished product. So this is the corridor of plant and going room and change room, and this is the office, IPQC, semi-finished store, and medicine preparation area, and raw material, API, excipients. API matlab active pharmaceutical ingredients, and excipients, liquid and solvent. These are the syrups and distillation units, ye syrups, and excise duty area. These are the following areas. Temperature is of hygroscopic जो होता है वो 25 degree centigrade and greater than 25 degree centigrade. If a sterile area, temperature 18 degree centigrade. Humidity 40%. If hygroscopic, and humidity is less than 40% contained by a plant in preparation. Departmental layout, arrival of the goods, entrance for visitors, entrance for workers, and shipment of goods. So these are the arrows of material flow, and these are the workers and all peoples are flow by this arrow denoted in a chart. Uh, these are the incoming goods, raw materials and packaging storage area, and utility and service area, machine shop, and packaging area, and shipping and shipment of goods. And these are the following, this is the corridor, and weighing, processing, filling, all things are involved in chart by arrow. step by step. Step for liquid manufacturing, planning of material requirements, liquid preparation, filling, labeling, packaging, sales of drug products. These are the following steps involved in the liquid manufacturing. Flow chart of a liquid manufacturing, raw material receipt, dispensary, manufacturing, primary packaging. And in primary packaging involves the packaging material receipt, packaging material store, and primary pack material cleaned out. In secondary packaging involve packaging material receipt, packaging material store, and finally dispatch the product. Raw material my first step involved sampling, QC quality control lab, and sample passes or sample do not passes. These are the two steps for QC lab. So in sample passes, release from store to storage area. And the next one is properly stickered to identify item number, name of the material, lot number, date or release, uh, re-assay date, and signature of QA inspector, and retasting at time of the use. If sample do not passes, so isolated sample from accepted material, stickered as a rejections, returned to supplier, or disposed promptly. These steps involved for the sample do not passes. Active or inactive, standard sampling procedure be followed and must be followed, and testing is done according to written procedure. Preparation of continuous phases. Continuous phases is involving a water, preservative, surfactant, other helping agents. So it's also involved in continuous phase, and mixing and aqueous solution is prepared. Then preparation of dispersed phase for suspension or for emulsion. For suspension, gradient solid drug, and for emulsion, oil solubilized drug is involved. Then continuous phase plus dispersed phase equal to finished product is prepared. So list of equipment as per Schedule M. Mixing Schedule M is according to the GMP. GMP means good manufacturing practices. This is in following terms M, M1, M2, M3. So according to M, good manufacturing practices, equipments are preferred for liquid preparation, mixing, storage tanks, jacket, kettle, SS tank, steam, gas or electrically heated, portable mixer, colloidal mill or suitable emulsifier, homogenizer, or any other suitable equipments, filter press or suitable filtration equipment, semi-automatic, automatic bottle filling machine, pilfer-proof cap sealing machine, waterless steel or deionizer labeling machine. These are the following equipment used in the oral liquid preparation. These are the mixing tanks and storage tank. These are two are storage tank, and this is the mixing tanks, type 1, type 2, type 3. This is a motor, this is a feeding link, and cooling jacket, buffer, agitator, and mixed product, right? इलेक्ट्रिक और स्टीम हीटिंग ऑल्सो पॉसिबल, बॉटम आउटलेट है, जैसे कि हमारा जो सारा प्रोडक्ट है वो इनपुट और आउटपुट हमारा इक्वल हो, इसकी वजह से बॉटम आउटलेट रहता है। जो भी हमारे टैंक्स होते हैं, मिक्सिंग टैंक्स होते हैं, प्रिपरेशन टैंक होते हैं, उसमें स्टोरेज टैंक जो होता है मैन्युफैक्चर फ्रॉम SS 304 by SS 316 and is argon welded रहता है. They are of suitable thickness with a smooth finish. It has a valve at the bottom and the lid at the top. The tank will be mounted on a forelegs with casters for movements, available from 50 to 10,000 split. These are the following mixing plates. Different mixing plates are used, and tanks is also used for the preparation of liquid. And SS tank with styrene manufacturing vessels. This is a SS tank, and this is a styrene magnetic styrene with SS steam jackets and insulations with SS grading. Different type of styrene paddles, anchors, propeller available, and electric heating also possible for a small scale. And capacity is 100 liters to a 10,000 liters of SS tank. Jacketed kettle and SS tank, steam, gas, or electrically heated. This is the jacketed kettle SS tank for liquid preparation, and provided with a jacket, a lid, and a bottom outlet. Electrical or steam heating possible. Vessel can be used under vacuum. Thermostatic control and safety valve provided, especially side window for vocalized vessels. Um, Colloidal meat. This is a colloidal meat, and superfine grinding and simultaneous emulsifying, dispersing and homogenizing within one process. It means two process in one mill. Homogenization and dispersing. Colloidal mill in brief with diagram. All pre-mixed components must passes through fine gap located between rotor and stator, and clearance between rotator and stator is 0.001 inch, and rotor speed is 200 to 1800 rpm. Quick and easy cleaning. Jacket is provided for heating or cooling application. It is generally used as a polishing machine for emulsions. This is a drive shaft and crude mixture inlet, and this is a rotor and this is a clearance outlet. Homogenizer, spring, crude mixture inlet, and outlet homogenizer from there, and valve cover and valve sitting. This is a diagram of homogenizer, and used for making suspension immersion. The homogenizer head consists of a spring arrangement made out of SS ultrasonifier, and this is an inlet and orifice of a product, and this is an outlet and vibrating blades. Filter press. The liquid to be filtered is pumped to tank where it is enters into individual plates. It passes through the filter media, paper, cloths, and crystal clear filtrate, comes out through a central channel formed by a interlocking curbs. Plate and frame filters. These are plate and frame filters both in one. And easy maintenance used for a sugar syrup filtration, liquor classification and polishing. And it has applications where solids are recovered. Number of plates and frames can be increased or decreased. Bypass plate, blockage plates are provided for stage filtrations or operating at reduced capacity. Water washing machine and easy operation, 4 inner and 1 outer wash, 4 inner and 1 outer wash. First wash with water, second wash inner wash. First wash with water, second wash with detergent, and then further wash with demineralized water and dry in inverted position or dry in a hot air oven. Manually bottle washing machine, automatic bottle machine. This is an automatic bottle machine, move bottles automatically from this side. A bottle filling machine. This is a bottle filling machine, automatic bottle filling machine. Also bottle filling machine. Automatic single and multi-head cap sealing machine. Output 60 or 150 per minute. Cap diameter is 22 millimeter to 56 millimeter with the help of change of parts. जब हम इसके parts में changes करेंगे तो इसका हम diameter को कम या ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं. और जो कंटेनर्स है वो लाइक 22 मिलीमीटर्स टू 1000 मिलीमीटर्स डायमीटर के होते हैं. जो 50 मिलीमीटर टू 210 मिलीमीटर हाइट के होते हैं. ऑप्शन फॉर अदर बॉटल्स हाइट्स अवेलेबल. अगर हम बॉटल की हाइट बढ़ाना चाहें तो ऑप्शन जो है वो अवेलेबल होते हैं जिसमें हमको चेंजेस करके उसको कर सकते हैं. ऑटोमेटिक हाइट स्पीड जो होती है वो फ्लैट लेबलिंग मशीन की होती है. जैसे कि ऑटोमेटिक हाई स्पीड से जो लेबलिंग करती है वो मशीन है. ये ऑटोमेटाइज्ड है और आउटपुट जो है इसका 3000 टू 9000 ऑफ अ राउंड कंटेनर्स के लिए है पर आवर. मतलब 1 घंटे में 3000 टू 9000 जो राउंड कंटेनर्स हैं उनकी लेबलिंग के लिए ये इसकी कैपेसिटी है. Depending on the size of the container or the label, and in built unscrambled any variations of the speed of the unit result in proportional change in the speed of the unscrambler. And turntable unscrambler. This is the turntable unscrambler. This is the distillation unit. Pure sterile pyrogen free distilled water conforming to IP or BP standard prepared by a distillation unit, and fully automatic operations and energy saving and low operation cost is also uh, provided by this machine. And all contact parts are SS and SS 316 and all joints are sealed with a Teflon jacket for containing a pyrogen-free distilled water. So, water trimming and cartooning machine is also available in like this large production. Bottle cartooning machine, an automatic syrup machine, sugar melting, syrup manufacturing vessel, and storage tank. So the facility consists of a sugar syrup vessels, manufacturing vessel, storage vessel, product piping, control panels, vacuum system for transfer of sugar syrup. Conveyor belt system available in SS model, available as per your requirement, speed, length, height and width. इसके अकॉर्डिंग अलग अलग डिफरेंट बेल्ट कन्वेयर्स जो होते हैं वो अवेलेबल होते हैं. And specific requirements for liquid preparations as per Schedule M, building and equipment, purified water, manufacturing. This is the following requirement for large scale production of liquid orals. So building and equipments, layout and design of the manufacturing area, minimize the risk of cross contamination and mix-ups. Syrup is often used as a vehicle for prevent entry to files use catchers. Drainage shall be adequate size and trap without opening channels, and design shall be such as to prevent backflow and use disinfectant on this way. Water and sugar promote microbial growth. So productions area should be cleaned and sanitized. Tank containers, pipe work and pumps shall be easily cleaned and sanitized and prevent accumulations of residual. Stainless steel material shall be used for the part of equipment. The use of a glass apparatus shall be minimum. क्योंकि अगर हम ग्लास एपरेटस का यूज करेंगे तो उनका ब्रेकेज के चांसेस ज़्यादा रहते हैं और उसकी वजह से हमें जो कॉस्ट जो है हमारी प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट है वो भी कहीं ना कहीं बढ़ती है और मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट जो है वो भी ज़्यादा रहती है. तो arrangements of a cleaning, इसलिए हमें SS का ज़्यादा use करना चाहिए. Arrangements of cleaning of containers, closers and droppers shall be made with the help of the suitable machines, devices, equipment with high pressure air, water and steam jets. The furniture used shall be smooth, washable and made of a stainless steel. Purified water, good quality of purified water use. The microbiological evaluation shall includes testing for absence of pathogens and shall not exceed 100 CFU per ml as per appendix 12.5 of IP. 1996 के according हमें करना चाहिए. Care shall be taken to avoid the risk of the microbial proliferations with the appropriate methods, use of a UV treatment, treatment with heat and sanitizing agents, written procedure of operating and maintenance of the purified water system should be followed. Manufacturing where non-fiber prevents shedding, cloths, contaminations of the products during manufacturing, woody material not used, maintain the homogeneity of emulsion. अगर woody material हम use करेंगे तो वो कहीं ना कहीं उसके impact होने के chances ज़्यादा होते हैं. Caring ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत होती है, इसलिए उसे हमें avoid करना चाहिए. Primary packaging area shall have an air supply which is a filtered through 5 mm filters. ये थ्रू फिल्टर होना चाहिए जिससे कि हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट हो वो सेफ हो और उसकी जो सेल्फ लाइफ है वो बनी रहे. टेम्परेचर ऑफ द एरिया नॉट एक्सीड 30 डिग्री centigrade when the bulk product is not immediately packed. The maximum periods of the storage and storage conditions shall be specified in the master formula. And the liquid packaging area as per schedule M, bottle washing machine filling and capping area, bottle labeling and box filling area. To fill the tanks with the fresh demineralized water, put the bottles into eliminatory and then taken them to the washing area. Broken bottles are inspected and rejected. Choose the correct size of the holder and fix on the stainless steel platform. The washing process is semi-automatic. Bottles to be washed are both are semi-automatic or automatic. Both are includes in the according to batch size and capacity of plant. Bottles to be washed are placed inverted on the empty nozzles, and after the washing one cycle is completed, unloaded. Loading of the washed bottles in eliminate clean performed tree in an inverted position so that all the waters is drained out. After completion of the washing operations, bottles are to be dried in overhead 120 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. Filling the capping area. The bulk containers are released for filling. The filling machine is assured to determine required volume. Only washed water are used, clean caps are used, fill volume record is to be maintained as per pro forma prescribed. Take care the suspension is filled under constant slow stirrer operation and there is no air trap in the suspension during filling operation. Box filling area. The sealed and filled bottles are passed through the conveyor and belt and fill in the empty corrugated box with labeling. These are the following references. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.